Hello everyone and welcome to Credit Finance. In today's video, I bring you an update regarding the low income program, Social Security, SNAP and EBT benefits, all aimed at helping you maximize your saving and enhance your financial well-being. In today's video, we are diving into a story that has over 70 million US retirees and government benefit recipients holding their breath. It's the annual pay increase and it's under threat due to petitional government shutdown as the ongoing standoff in Congress intensities. A partial government shutdown set to begin on Sunday is looking increasingly likely. The US Labor Department has issued a warning that's causing concern. If the government remains closed for an extended period, it could be disrupt a critical announcement. We are talking about the annual cost of living adjustment or COLA, a vital financial update for those who rely on Social Security and government benefit. The issue here is that a prolonged shutdown could throw a wrench into the release of the Consumer Price Index of September scheduled for October 12th. Now, why is this important? Well, this index is the key to determining the COLA, and any delay in its release could leave millions of recipients in the dark about their financial futures. But here's the twist: even if there's a delay in the announcement, it would not necessarily affect when the new payments amount take effect. Social Security retirement benefit recipients will start receiving the new rate in January 2024. While payments to SSI beneficiaries typically change at the end of each December, according to a Labor Department memo, a delay of the CPI release may have an impact on the COLA announcement by the Social Security Administration. The big question is, how long will this shutdown last? Now, let's talk numbers. Last year, with annual inflation soaring near the highest in 4 decades, we witnessed a whopping 8.7% COLA increase, the largest since 1981. Price increases have slowed this year due to the Federal Reserve interest rates hikes, leading to the largest real income boost relative to inflation in a whole generation. But what about this year? Well, another substantial COLA increase might be on the horizon. Inflation, though down from its peak in 2022, still remains above pre-pandemic levels. The COLA, which has averaged 2.8% since 1984, was just 1.4% on average from 2010 to 2019, with some years having no increase at all. In August, the CPIW was up 3.4% year over year, driven largely by surging gasoline prices. But here's the catch: whatever COLA is announced for 2024 is unlikely to offer the same cushion against inflation as we saw in 2023. So there you have it, folks, a cliffhanger situation where financial futures hang. Is the balance? Will be government shutdown impact your annual COLA increase? Will we see another significant boost this year? Keep your eyes peeled and we will keep you updated as this story unfolds. So that's all the update that I have for today. Remember to turn on your notification button to know when I have uploaded a new video. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time.